Senator Amy Marcos suspects that even admin-allied senators no longer want an impeachment trial. But one framer of the Constitution insists a trial must happen. Here is a report.
Senator Amy Marcos drops a bold suspicion. Even admin-allied senators, she says, want the impeachment trial against Vice President Sara Duterte scrapped. According to her, they may be fearing the shame of a possible defeat.
Ang akin lamang, ang duda ko, hindi lamang ang sinasabi o tinatawag na mga Duterte ang interesado sa pag-dismiss. Ang pakiramdam ko, mismo ang administrasyon ay may mga grupo na nagsasabi na wag nang ituloy at baka mapahiya lang sa numero. Di ba mas mahirap, mas nakakahiya kapag nagkaroon ng paglilitis at matalo?
The Senate has already delayed the presentation of the impeachment articles, originally set for June 2, now moved to June 11. A draft resolution to dismiss the case has also been making the rounds, initially led by Senator Bato de la Rosa. But Senator Marcos says several versions are now circulating, as some senators coordinate to find a legally sound exit plan. Still, she says Duterte herself never asked her to stop the process.
Abogado yun, hindi yan pag-uusapan. Alam niya, magiging huwes ako eh. Hindi nga, ako nga inaawat eh. Ay, magdahan-dahan ka, mag-judge ko dyan. Ang sabi lang niya, ano man ang mangyari, tanggap ko na.
Returning Senator Ping Lacson confirms he too received a copy of the draft resolution even before officially assuming office. But can the Senate legally dismiss the case without a trial?
Hindi nga sila nag-aamta sa impeachment court. So wala silang personalidad, wala silang authority na mag-dismiss ng isang impeachment complaint. Kasi ang pwede lang umakto sa impeachment complaint na na-transmit, properly transmitted ng House sa Senate para mag-constitute sila into an impeachment court, ay yung court mismo.
For his part, Senator J.V. Ejercito takes a firm stand. The impeachment process must proceed.
I'm in favor of pushing through with the impeachment because sabi ko nga, duty-bound kami. Hindi maibig sabihin for conviction na ako. Diba? And that will give the accused also the chance to clear his or her name.
Meantime, constitutional framer attorney Christian Monsod warns the Senate cannot legally skip the trial.
Maybe it's a delaying tactic because they think that the 20th Congress cannot proceed anymore. In other words, that the impeachment case dies with the 19th Congress. They are wrong. They are wrong. The case must be finished, the trial must be conducted.
And for attorney Michael Yosinko of the Ateneo Policy Center, the delays only reveal what he calls a failure in Senate leadership.
Tayong mga mamamayan, we can exact accountability, no? Kung gusto natin, no? Given what the senators are doing now, or they can just remember what happened and then vote accordingly in 2028.